Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Learn English Part 11. Today I am going to tell you the voice, change of voice. Actually, you might have seen, you might have read the sentences, the changing rules in different books. But I tell you that whatsoever the sentences I have brought for all of you are unique, because mostly you don't know, you may not have read in any book. I am going to start. First sentence: he decided to sell the house. He decided that the house should be sold. This is the passive voice. Next sentence: I remember them taking me to the zoo. Its passive voice is I remember being taken to the zoo. Third, what did they steal? Its passive voice would be what was stolen. Next sentence, who painted it? Its passive voice would be who was it painted by, or by whom was it painted. Next sentence, we keep the butter here. Its passive voice would be the butter is kept here. Next sentence number 6, someone helped us on the road. Its passive voice would be we were helped on the road. Next sentence, Pakistan grows cotton, and passive voice would be cotton is grown in Pakistan. Next sentence number 8, do they know you? Its passive voice would be are you known to them, not by them, to them, because this preposition is used after known. Next sentence, I have to do much practice. Its passive voice would be much practice has to be done by me. Sentence number 10, this jar contains milk. Its passive voice would be milk is contained in this jar. Sentence number 11, someone called me outside the room. Its passive voice would be I was called outside the room. Number 12, her strange behavior has surprised me. It is behavior, not behavior. So its passive voice would be I have been surprised at her strange behavior. I have been surprised at her strange behavior. Next sentence, they know my name. Its passive voice would be my name is known to them. Next sentence, he married her. Its passive voice would be she was married to him. Sentence number 15, trees line the main roads of the city, and passive voice would be the main roads of the city are lined with trees. Sentence number 16, his attitude offended me very much. Passive voice would be I was very much offended with his attitude, not by, with his attitude. Next sentence, your act pleases me, and passive voice would be I am pleased with your act. Sentence number 18, whom did you teach yesterday? Its passive voice would be who was taught by you yesterday. Number 19. He expected to pass the exam. He expected to pass the exam. And passive voice would be the exam was expected to be passed by him. Sentence number 20. He decided to shoot the elephant. And its passive voice would be the elephant was decided to be shot by him. Sentence number 21. Mr. Aslam, who is my teacher, wrote a book. And passive sentence would be a book was written by Mr. Aslam, who is my teacher. Sentence number 22. He let the people befool him. And passive voice would be he let himself be befooled. Sentence 23. He let the people laugh at him. Its passive voice would be he let himself be laughed at. Sentence number 24. All are unique sentences, please. One should love children. Its passive sentence would be children should be loved. Number 25. One should do one's duty. Its passive voice would be duty should be done. Sentence number 26. Someone has rung the bell. And passive voice would be the bell has been rung. Sentence number next 37. No one has ever cared for me before. Its passive voice would be I have never been cared for before. Sentence 28. Nobody can do it. Sentence passive voice would be it cannot be done by anybody. Sentence 29. People say that he is a miser. Its passive voice would be it is said that he is a miser. Not necessary to say by people. Next sentence, sentence number 30. Please help me. Its passive voice would be you are requested to help me. Sentence number 31. This cup contains tea. And passive voice would be tea is contained in this cup. Sentence number 32. Does painting interest you? Does painting interest you? And the passive voice would be are you interested in painting? Sentence number 33. His performance astonished us. His passive voice would be we were astonished at his performance, not by, at his performance. Sentence number 34. We must write to him. Its passive voice would be he must be written to. Sentence number 35. We saw them go out. And passive voice would be they were seen go out. Sentence number 36. He made us work. He made us work. And passive voice would be we were made to work. Last sentence. They let us go. And its passive voice would be we were let go. All these were very typical passive voice. I hope that inshallah you would like them. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.